Hello! So, today we have another Depop mystery bundle unboxing. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, it's at adrianananoodle, and I do have an art Instagram if you want to follow that as well. Okay, so today's mystery box is really exciting because it is actually a character themed mystery box, which this is the first time I found something like this. So a lovely person by the name of Jade actually reached out to me. She sent me an email. Her shop and Depop name is Lavender Haze LA, which by the way I love that name because first off, lavender, I love that color, and second, I feel like it's probably inspired by Purple Haze, which is, and just so you guys know, she offered to give me this bundle for free. This was like incredibly generous of her to do that. Let me tell you guys about the process because I feel like it was such a big part of this experience and I really enjoyed it. So first off, the character that I decided to go with was an Ashley Banks themed mystery bundle. What she does is she sends you this questionnaire. It's like a Google Docs questionnaire, and it was very organized and it felt super legit. You can get a copy of the questionnaire and you get notified when the package gets shipped, and I thought it was just a really cool part of this experience because I kind of felt like I was being styled by someone professional. I don't know, and it did not take long. I think it took a week. Sorry about that long intro. Now let's just open the box. So here is the box. Pretty heavy, pretty good size. Look it, she wrote my name there. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I love this wrapping paper. It's like a little scalloped. Whoa. This looks like it's stuff. Dang, that's a lot of stuff in there. Ooh, how cute. So I see a little purse. So, okay, let's just dive into this. Okay, so first off, I see this bag and wow, this is a really nice pastel minty bag and it has more stuff in it. Oh my, there's just, I can't believe all these freaking bundles, man. Just giving me so much stuff, but I really like this bag. I probably mentioned this before, I'm not a bag person, so I've never really bought any bags, but hey, if I'm getting some bags without me shopping for them, I'll take it. And this is a nice one. I like this minty color, kind of luxurious looking, so I really like that. So inside we have tons of accessories. So first off, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's this polka dot scarf. Woo! That is so pretty. It's polka dot and stripe, kind of retro looking. Next we have a little pearl headband. That is really cute. Okay, there's so much stuff in here, so I'm gonna try to not dawdle on all this. This is just full of jewelry. You guys see? There's packs of earrings. Tons of stuff in here. There's this little squishy polar bear maybe, or a seal. I don't know, a little squishy little creature. Wow. Okay, so she gave me a whole pack of these really nice earrings, and then I have a little hair barrette. Then there's these retro flower earrings, so adorable. And then I have a gold necklace. I'll show you guys just in one shot just because there's so much in here. And then I also got this choker, which I really like. Definitely that 90s vibe. Maroon socks, very cute. Oh my gosh, and then some heart sunglasses. That is so cute. Okay y'all, so here's all the accessories that she got just laid out. So we have these maroon socks, the scarf, and then here's that purse, and the pearl headband, sunglasses, and then here's a little squishy dude. It's a polar bear, I think. And then there's that gold hair barrette. And then here's like that pack of earrings, just like so many earrings. That's so awesome. And then these like retro flower earrings. And then the 90s choker. And then I'll show you guys what those necklaces look like up close. So we have like a little angel pendant, a heart one, and then a gold rose. So yeah, just so many accessories. This is so awesome. So she gave me a bunch of cards saying thank you, just like these vintage postcards. And then she sent me a little note as well, just saying thank you, and that these pieces channeling the Ashley Banks vibe and also to my style. Yeah, very nice little thank you note. Whew, okay, so now let's actually dive into the clothes. Okay, so the first thing I see, awesome. So there are these vintage like pastel light blue corduroy shorts, which is like, I have been like wanting a pair of corduroy shorts, like especially during this like transition season. I was like, yo, I really want a pair of corduroy shorts. And she got me some, so that is amazing. So they're vintage US wear. Okay, so here are those corduroy shorts, and I'm gonna be trying on as I go again for this video, just because there's a lot of stuff and it's kind of like a mix. Like, I'm gonna try to style them like Ashley Banks, but I don't know if I will successfully do that with all of these. So just so you guys are aware, I love the length of these corduroy shorts. The only thing is that they're kind of ripping at the seams, pretty snug on me. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but that might just be because I've gained some weight and I might not even be the same measurements anymore. And I just paired it with this thrifted striped tee. Yeah, I mean, they're comfortable, they're cute, and there's a really cool pair of shorts. Okay, so next we have this kind of deep red little tank top, and then this is a Gap little top. I really am glad. I feel like she really knew that I was into color, so she's given me some like colorful pieces. This is super comfortable. I might actually wear this today. A lot of Ashley Banks's outfits, I see her wear like a little tank top or like a t-shirt, and then just some mom jeans like these Levi's. So I have these thrifted Levi's, and I put them with the belt because I see her wear a belt and jeans a lot, but it's definitely like a nice little tank top, and I really like these kinds of tops. And then she put this little like French fry pen. She probably didn't even know, but I actually really love like silly pens, especially like pens that are like food related. So I am so obsessed with this. Next we have this kind of geometric like patchwork looking top, and it's very stretchy, and I really like these fall tones on it. And there is the brand. Pretty interesting piece. Yeah, this is actually a really unique top, and on top of that, it's kind of flattering because it has this like tighter fit. And I know she was definitely trying to go for like some funky, unique pieces because she knew that I liked that kind of stuff. So I think this is another one of those kind of unique tops. So yeah, I like this one as well. Okay, so next we have this like textured little tank top, and then it has a tie, more like a Y2K kind of piece, but hey, I'm open to trying it out. And I'm sure if I could like pair it with something high-waisted, it would look a little bit more flattering. Then the brand is Forever. Top actually is pretty flattering on me, to be honest. I think because it's like tight fitting, and then this like interesting neckline. Paired it again with the same skirt just to like try to match the tones. I'm still not a big fan of this green color, but again, at least it's somewhat flattering as far as how it fits on me. And then the back ties, which is, I don't know why it does that, but I guess it just kind of helps shape the top more, but it still kind of throws me off a bit just to have like a top with a tie. But other than that, I mean, I'm really not mad at this either. So we have this adorable like vintage little mini dress. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I really like this. And the brand is CDC Petite. And then there's the tag. This is so cute, and I'm so happy with this one. It's definitely as cute as I imagined it. Fits perfectly on me, and it's such an adorable little shape, like with the sleeves, and then it like fits on the waist and then kind of goes out. And the bottom is kind of like layered in these little like ruffles, and it's just adorable. And on top of that, like the colors, this is adorable. So I put my hair up in a little kind of like the 90s scrunchy little hairstyle, and then I also put on the earrings that came in the pack. These are like those gold little hoops, and they have a little shell on them. Definitely a favorite from this bundle. Next piece, oh, I love this as well. This is like a striped, really like vintage looking button-up skirt. It actually doesn't have a tag, and I actually think this is handmade, which is amazing. Definitely giving me fall vibes. I just always love these like little mini skirts, so I'm really happy with this as well, and a really unique piece, so love this. Here is that striped skirt. Put on the bag that I got, and then also the headband that came with the bundle. So just to show you guys, like, pairing this stuff with the accessories. And yeah, this is a very like coordinated outfit, which I've never really like actually tried doing very often, but yeah, this is an adorable look. I tried to go for kind of like the preppy style that I feel like sometimes Ashley will go for in some of her looks. So I have the pearl headband, and then this white turtleneck that actually came from my other mystery bundle. Yeah, I love this skirt. It's such an interesting like pattern, and like the fabric that it was made with is pretty interesting, and I like the buttons as well. Really like handmade things. They're just like really unique. So I was really glad she gave me something like this. Next we have this like knit ribbed little tank top, and then the brand is AK Collection, and it definitely like reminds me of the 90s as well, just kind of like the style of knit tops. Okay, so here's that little navy top, and I again paired it with the same jeans that I had before. I wore this choker necklace that she included, the like 90s little necklace, and I feel like it just really completed the outfit. So this top, again, super comfortable, stretchy, flattering, and just like a cute little top. So I really have no complaints. Even if it's in a navy color, I really don't mind that much, just because it looks pretty good with the jeans. Okay, so next we have a long sleeve red velvet top. The brand is Como Vintage, and yeah, definitely has kind of like an interesting style to it, but I'm excited to try it out. Alright, so here we have that velvet top, and I love the way this fits on me, and I love this like interesting like cutout detail. And also, y'all know, just like velvet anything, like I just love and I am obsessed with, so this is just perfect, and also perfect for this upcoming season. Anyways, so yeah, I have this like thrifted black skirt that I wanted to pair with this. The only thing, and I mean it's not really a complaint, but the only thing is that I feel like this is just kind of like a random piece. Like it's not necessarily like an Ashley Banks themed piece of clothing, but still, I can't complain really, because I really like this top. Okay guys, another awesome piece. So next we have this corduroy burgundy blazer, and on top of that it's a Tommy Hilfiger. Like, look at that. It's a Tommy Hilfiger, and it's like this beautiful, like, deep burgundy color. Just perfect for fall. Yes, I did just put it over the last outfit. I was really that lazy. And I actually feel like this outfit almost turned into like Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I feel like all I need is like some tall boots, and like I just like transform into that. Yeah, I actually also really like the fit. It fits me perfectly, and I've never really been able to find like blazers that specifically like fit me, so this is a really awesome piece. And just the fact that it's Tommy Hilfiger, it's great quality. It's in this burgundy color, which is perfect for fall. And it's like this material, just everything about this is really awesome. So this is an incredible piece that I really enjoy. This is the last piece. So it is this like preppy white sweater, and it has a v-neck. I love these like preppy style sweaters. I actually don't have any first kind of sweater that I have in this style, so I'm excited to try this out. And then there is the brand, you guys, and I went for like a little preppy schoolgirl kind of look. I have this thrifted plaid skirt, and some of the colors kind of went with the sweater, so I felt like it matched. Yeah, I like the sweater. It's cute and I like the little preppy look of it. So it's a little short on me, but it's not a big deal. This is a new piece to try out, so I'm definitely happy with this as well. Okay guys, so those were all of the pieces that I received. I definitely enjoyed this, and this was a really good bundle. And it wasn't like curated outfits, but it was still a lot of pieces that I feel like kind of went with the vibe. So I think she did really good. Thank you so much, Jade. Like, this was amazing. Though in the questionnaire I did tell her about how I wanted a lot of like funky pieces and pattern pieces and stuff like that, so I think she did really good with that, and also kind of sticking with the theme as well. So yeah, this was a really good experience. And again, her Depop is Lavender Haze LA. If you guys want to check her out and definitely try a bundle out, she has a lot of different ones. So I also saw that she actually has a YouTube channel as well. It's like brand new. It looks like she just started it. So you guys should definitely subscribe as well. She did post a video of her like making bundles. So if you guys are interested, yeah, definitely check out her YouTube channel. It's Ardent Angel. Okay, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay positive and always be creative. See you next time. Bye.